British Airways Chief Executive Willie Walsh. He joins me now from Madrid. Thank you very much for joining us. I know the ink isn't even dry on this merger, but if I may ask you a little bit about the idea of future acquisitions, just how far down that route are you?
What we've done is we've created a company that is scalable, because we believe that consolidation will benefit the industry, and we believe opportunities will exist in the future. However, we're not active at the moment. We're not in discussions with anybody, but what we do want to do is to be ready for opportunities if and when they appear, and I believe that there will be opportunities in the near future.
And whereabouts are you looking for those opportunities? Is it in emerging markets? Is it within your One World alliance?
Well, our ambition ultimately is global, because we believe the industry will pursue global consolidation, and that's the reason we've structured the company the way we have. But as you probably know, there are significant regulatory hurdles to doing that today. So some of our ambition will have to be put on hold until we see governments address these regulatory issues. But ultimately, I think the industry will be able to pursue global consolidation. Unfortunately, that won't happen in the very near future.
Now, with the emerging markets, there are airlines there that are doing very well in a very profitable and growing region. It's very clear why you might want to be a part of that. I suppose the question is, why would some of those airlines want to get involved with an airline that is really saturating the market and hasn't got an awful lot more room for growth? What could you offer them?
Well, one of the things we can do with emerging markets is we can serve those markets, because it's not just about the growth within the market, it's the growth to and from that market. So if you look at Iberia, the ambition there is clearly to expand the network into Latin America, which is a significant growth market. And at British Airways, we're looking to expand our presence in Asia. So I think what we can bring is we can bring access to an exciting and profitable established business, and I think these new carriers can also benefit from the extensive network that BA and Iberia has together.
Now, there's recently been a pickup in demand, particularly for business travel and long haul. But what about the short haul market? How much are the budget airlines hurting you in the short haul area?
No, it's competition. I think at BA and Iberia we've been able to adapt to this sort of competition, and I think we do so quite well. I'm actually pleased to say that we've seen an improvement in demand on short haul as well as long haul, and we've also seen demand, surprisingly, and I am surprised by this, in the short haul premium travel as well. It's still well below where we were at the peak. But we have seen some positive figures over the past 6 months, and the booking trends that we're seeing show that pattern is continuing going forward as well.
Now, today's news was greeted by these planned walkouts from the staff. Do you see it as a failure that you still haven't managed to resolve this dispute?
No, not at all, because what we've done is we've managed the business. We've implemented the changes, we've generated very significant savings for the company, we've restructured our cost base, and we're looking to the future. I think we're dealing with a trade union that continues to look backwards, that is stuck in a rut, that would like to return to the way the industry operated in the 60s and 70s, and clearly that's not going to happen. So we're very much focused on building the business and moving forward. And I'm delighted to say that the vast majority of people working at British Airways support that ambition and have demonstrated that they want to keep BA flying, and will demonstrate again if we face industrial action, and that's by no means certain, but if we do, we will continue to fly.
Do you get the feeling
we've developed very robust contingency plans?
Do you get the feeling that you're any closer to a resolution, just briefly?
Yes, I do. I'm always optimistic, but I believe the vast majority of our cabin crew want this issue resolved and want to continue doing what they do best, and that's serving our customers, and they do a fantastic job.
OK, Mr. Walsh, thank you very much indeed.